Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. Hi everyone, my name is Himanshi Sharma. I hope you all are doing good. Today, this video is for Class 4 English and we will read the poem Run. Animated and musical poem was already uploaded on the channel and link is provided in the description box. Today, we will see explanation of the poem, word meanings, rhyming words, and sentence formation. So let's get started. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? There is a busy street where we can see traffic congestion and tall buildings. Do children have free space for playing? No, there is no free space for them. Now, look at this picture. What do you see here? This is a village where we can see children are playing. They have enough free space for playing. Now, what are the things we can see here in this picture? We can see a bullock cart, tree, meadow, lane, hillside, etc. What these children are doing? They are running. What are the places where they can run? They can run down the hillside, through the meadow, beneath the tree and up the lane. Do you like to race with other children? Can you race with the wind or the breeze? Let's see in this poem whether we can actually do it or not. Let's read the first stanza. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. The poet is asking the children to run. She is asking them to go away from the city towards the countryside. Now we have already seen that in city we can't find enough space to play, but in villages and countryside children find enough space to run around with friends and play. They can find clear sky and shining sun, as there are no tall buildings and traffic congestion like in big cities. Now let's read the second paragraph. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Now the poet is asking children to run even in the raindrops, even when it is raining. She is asking them to enjoy the rain while running. She is asking the children to run in the shadow of trees and to have competition of racing with none other than the wind, as it will make them more energetic and give them the feeling of achievement. And who doesn't like to win? Friends, have you ever tried this? It's too much fun. Now let's read the third paragraph. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Now the poet is asking the children to have fun while running down the hillside, where we can roll down the hill like a ball. She is asking them to enjoy running up the lane and through the meadows, which are the piece of grassland where you can find animals grazing and then run back to your home. Now let's read the last stanza. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. In this stanza, poet says that by running all around, you will be cheerful all through the day. She emphasizes on the fact that we can be more happier and successful if we run, because running is the simplest way to exercise. So friends, summary of this poem is the poet, who is Mary Daunt, laid stress on the importance of running, which can be joyful at the same time. She asked the children to run and enjoy themselves. She asked them to go away from the crowded cities towards the countryside or villages to enjoy the vast fields. According to her, running can be enjoyed in every weather. So she tells them to run into the sun, in the rain, and under the trees. She calls them out to run down the hillside, up the lanes, through the meadow, and then back again. The poet urges them to run throughout the day so that they can rejoice and be happy. They can become stronger to handle the challenges of life, and success will come easier to those who can adopt such a lifestyle. Now let's see rhyming words. Friends, you already know that words having similar sound at the end are rhyming words. So in the first stanza, sun rhymes with run. In the second stanza, trees and breeze are rhyming words. In the third stanza, lane and again are rhyming words. And in the last stanza, day rhymes with away. Now let's come to word meanings. The first word is raindrops, meaning drops of rain. Sentence: the sound of raindrops can be heard under the umbrella. Next word is beneath, meaning under something or at a lower level. Sentence: we took shelter beneath a huge tree. Next word is breeze, meaning a gentle wind. Sentence: she let the gentle breeze cool her face. Next word is hillside, meaning the side of a hill. Sentence: beautiful flowers grew along the hillside. Next word is meadow, meaning a piece of grassland. Sentence: I saw cows grazing in the meadow. Now there is one more word, merry, meaning cheerful or laughter. Sentence: everyone was merry at the party. Now I have one more word, country. Why I have included this word here is because in this poem, country doesn't mean India or US or Australia. Here, country means a land that is not in towns or cities and is either used for farming or left in its natural conditions. Sentence: country life is better than city life. Do you know, friends, regular running offers many health benefits. It doesn't cost a lot to take part. One run can change your day, and many runs can change your life. I hope you like this video. If you find it useful, then please like, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you.